Hello, dear Jermaine. Recently, you have posted a job in Upwork, and I read your job description very carefully. And I assure you that I can teach you live on Zoom how to rank tags on vidIQ. Performance is 5 of 5. I run two YouTube channel using vidIQ. Here you see, this is my first YouTube channel. I got 280k subscriber here and 606 videos I uploaded here, and my video got good views from YouTube engagement. Here you can see 1.6 million views, 983k views, 739k views, and 713k views. All of this video I do SEO by vidIQ. And here is my another YouTube channel. I got 54.1k subscriber on this channel and uploaded 100 videos. And while uploading my videos, I do SEO by vidIQ. As you can see here, my views 364k, 159k, 102k, and most of my video hit above 1 lakh views. And as you can see here, my another video I uploaded, this is one of my videos, and as you see here, vidIQ score in 100, vidIQ score is 83.3, and views per hour, duration, then all of the engagement from YouTube, 99.3% YouTube engagement, and engagement rate is good. Then vidIQ score is here. Then video optimization checklist, all of the things are green tick mark, and I will teach you how to make all of them green tick on Zoom live meeting. And if you hire me, I will give you extra some tips to grow your YouTube channel about TubeBuddy extension also. I use TubeBuddy extension also. Both are the good for YouTube SEO. So I am waiting for your reply. If you hire me, I will try to my best to grow your YouTube channel and teach you the best tutorial about vidIQ. Thank you.